Welcome, this is Preposition Quiz 2 and this test has 20 questions with 2 optional answers. You have a limited time to answer your question. Question number 2. He bought it blank $50. 4. He bought it for $50. Here, knife is a tool and we use with for a tool. Ill is an adjective and it takes with preposition. I am ill with fever. Here is a verb suffering and it takes the preposition from. I am suffering from cough. We use on before the way. He is on the way. This is a phrase, I am good, and it takes at preposition. I am good at cooking. The verb abstain takes always the preposition from. You should abstain from eating too much fatty food. Question number 9. Here is a book and it is written, author is unknown and it takes the preposition by. This book was written by me. Here is a verb, your clue is waiting. And we wait for some person, we takes the preposition for. He borrowed money. How? He borrowed money from how? I succeeded passing the exam. The verb succeed always takes the preposition in. I succeed in passing the exam. Question number 13. They arrived the bus stop. Here the bus stop is a specific location, so we have to use here at. They arrived at the bus stop. Here is a verb translated and this takes preposition into always. I translated the story into English. The bridge is blank the river. The bridge is not touching the river, so the right answer is over. He has worn cap blank his head. The cap is touching his head, so we have to use here on. He has worn cap his head. He didn't respond.
Question number 17.
My letter.
We get food.
The verb respond
blank
takes
trees.
the preposition to. He didn't
We get
respond
food
to my letter.
from trees.
Question number
18.
He is blank England. England is a large area. It is the name of a country.
I am
so we have to use
from
here in.
England.
He is in England.
Question number
I am
19.
proud blank you.
This bag
When we have
belongs
proud on any person, we use the preposition
to her.
of. I am proud of you.
Question number 20.
The story is based blank true events.
I prefer
The verb based
milk
takes the preposition of.
to curd.
The story is based on true events.